Double dump truck.
Imagine a huge truck that can dump its load in two directions. Whoosh! Sand, gravel, or dirt slides out easily. This truck is a hero on construction sites, helping build cities quickly. With two dump beds, it works more efficiently and saves time.
Power shovel.
This isn't just any shovel, kiddo. The power shovel has a super strong metal arm that can lift heavy rocks and dirt. Graak. With incredible strength, it digs and moves materials for big projects. It's often used in mines to scoop up coal and valuable minerals.
Rock header.
Here comes the rock crusher. The rock header has sharp teeth that go crack, crack, breaking hard rocks into smaller pieces for construction. It's used in tunnels and mining. With its powerful force, it can carve paths through mountains.
Road roller.
If roads need to be smooth and even. Vroom! Its giant wheels press down on dirt and asphalt, making the road perfect for cars and trucks. Without it, roads would be bumpy and rough to drive on.
Oob Industries doubles trailers.
This super long truck hauls heavy loads like cement, steel, or big machines. With two trailers, beep beep, it carefully moves toward construction projects. Because of its length, the driver must be extra careful to prevent tipping over.
Logging harvester.
Deep in the forest, this powerful machine works fast to cut and trim trees. Zizzt, crack. With its strong grip, it can grab and cut down a tree in seconds. Without the logging harvester, this job would take days.
Bulldozer.
The bulldozer is a strong machine that pushes dirt, rocks, and even fallen trees. Scrap. With its giant metal blade, it levels land for roads and new buildings. It's also used to clear areas after natural disasters.
Flatbed truck.
This truck can carry almost anything. With no walls or roof, it transports machines, wood, or even other vehicles. Vroom! It delivers cargo everywhere. Since it has no cover, everything must be strapped down tightly to keep it secure.
Mining truck.
In mines, there's a massive truck with wheels as tall as a house. The mining truck hauls huge rocks and tons of dirt. Dumb. It's super strong and tough. It can carry thousands of pounds in just one trip.
Tanker truck.
See that long truck with a round tank? That's a tanker truck. It carries gasoline, water, or even milk to different places. Gurgle, gurgle. Its liquid cargo stays safe until it reaches its destination. Without this truck, getting fuel would be really difficult.
Demolition excavator.
When old buildings need to come down, this machine takes center stage. With its giant metal claw, boom, crash. It tears down walls and clears sites for new buildings. This is dangerous work, so the excavator operator has to be really skilled.
Mobile crane.
The mobile crane is a huge lifter that can move around. Whee! With its long arm, it lifts heavy beams to build skyscrapers. It's also used at ports to lift massive shipping containers from ships.
Digger.
The digger is a small but mighty excavator. Swish! With its bucket, it digs holes and trenches. Small but powerful. It's often used for smaller projects like installing underground pipes.
Concrete mixer truck.
This truck has a big drum that's always spinning. Whir! Whir! It mixes cement, sand, and water into strong concrete for buildings. If it stops spinning, the concrete could harden inside and become useless.
Long beam truck.
This truck carries super long beams for bridges and buildings. With its extra long trailer, beep beep, it carefully moves massive loads while keeping balance. The driver has to be really skilled, especially when turning on narrow roads.